The cake will go through the baking tunnel, which are carefully designed according to the customer's process requirements. This full automatic tunnel baking oven can achieve 360 degrees heating and baking. Also, its length and temperature control system also can be customized according to requirement. It has two thermal insulation layers. The inner side uses imported high-temperature efficient aluminum silicate insulation cotton, while the outer side is the airtight thermal insulation layer. Ensure that the Howler machine has a good thermal efficiency. The heating area of the tunnel furnace is divided into upper fire and bottom fire, which are partitioned at the entrance, center, and exit of the furnace. The purpose of this design is to facilitate temperature control, so as to ensure the baking effect. After baking, the cakes need to go through the demolding machine. High performance of demolding machine is also a key link to ensure low breakage rate on ready-made cakes. In order to extend the cake taste and shelf life, the cakes will be delivered to packing unit through UV and ozone sterilization tunnel.
After sterilized and cooled, the cakes will convey and sorted to the pillow packing machine systems. This machine can fill nitrogen gas into the cake pack. Of course, you can also pack the preservative chips together with the cake in the pack. This packing unit is equipped with 5 packing machines with a packing capacity of 30,000 cakes per hour.